I was surprised the other day when I found a Google Sheets connector in Power BI, and then I was really pleasantly surprised when I saw how easy it was. So, in today's quick video, I'm going to show you the steps for connecting data that you have in Google Sheets to a report in Power BI. What I loved about this is that it was a native built in connector for Google Sheets. So, it's not a third party add on or a complex workaround. It's a direct, secure connection that's part of Power BI desktop itself. So first things first is check that we've got data in Google Sheets. Open it up in your browser, all looks good. Copy that entire URL from your browser's address bar. You're going to need that in a second. Now let's jump over into Power BI Desktop. In the Home ribbon, click on Get Data, and a window pops up with a huge list of data sources. Just type Google Sheets. There you go. Power BI is going to ask you for that URL that you've just copied. Paste it in and click OK. Next up is authentication. This part makes sure everything stays secure. So Power BI will open up your default browser and get you to sign into your Google account, just as you would for accessing anything else in the Google ecosystem. By signing into the browser, you're giving Power BI permission to view that particular Google Sheets. This is a standard secure process, and you only have to do it once for this individual sheet. Once you've granted access, pop back into Power BI and click Connect. A new window called the Navigator appears, showing you every sheet or tab inside that Google Sheets file. Find the one you need, in this case I just have the one, and you'll see a preview of the data on the right. Now, here's an important tip I can give you. Always click Transform Data. Don't just click Load. This will open up Power Query, and it means that you can address any little issues right up front before the data ever gets loaded into Power BI. For example, here, something that comes up quite often with spreadsheets is that it hasn't recognized the column headers. And in Power Query, there's quite literally a single button that you can click to fix this. Just click Use First Row as Headers. This is also your chance to check data types, remove columns you don't need, and generally clean things up before they hit your report. I have another video about common cleanup steps in Power Query that I suggest you check out if you're fairly new to it. But for here, I'm happy with how this, and all I have to do is click Close and Apply. That's it. Your Google Sheets data is now in Power BI, ready for you to build charts and dashboards, just like you would with any other data source. The data we used today was in the right structure. More often than not, though, I find if I'm working with spreadsheets, they're not. So in this video that I'll leave just here, I'll explain what's the right structure for data for Power BI and how to really easily convert it. Check it out.